everyone, it's Joanne. Now these crevice brushes, they're designed for tight spaces. I've used these on window tracks, grout lines, my sink edges, other areas and edges that need grit to be removed. These actually work in those tight, annoying, hard to clean spots. Now I got these from the brand so I could check them out and give you my honest opinion, and you can decide if it's something that's good for you. These have ultra slim brush head that makes it super easy to get into the narrow gaps without forcing it. The nylon bristles are firm. They do a great job, but they're not going to damage the surface. They're made of a durable construction, so the bristle doesn't shed either. They have a nice grip handle, so you can hold them really tight when you need to get that really scrubbing going, and you can use them for a long time. Now, if you're dealing with heavy buildup like lime scale or baked on grease, you might need some solution that's going to break through that while you're using this. But for regular cleaning, edges, seams, these work great, and you will love them.